This is the elevator at University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In case of emergency, use stairs. I believe this was originally an old Westinghouse, but it was modernized in the mid-2000s with Otis E. Epico inch-line lantern. Go down the ground. No call recognition, not even delayed. Elevator number 4, and here we go down. Here are ground. And this building is under construction right now. Go up to 7. Door close button does not work. And here we go up. This building is under heavy renovations right now, so that's why there's a lot of construction. And that's why also this elevator is padding. And there's also construction signs taped onto the padding, which I'll show you during the cab view. Pretty shaky. Here it's 7. I'll go back down to 1. This floor is already renovated, it looks like. The ground floor is under renovation. There's a lot of blank spaces for buttons. ADA phone, firefighter's operation. Here are independent service controls and fire service. See, here's some of the construction signs. Pretty basic padded elevator. I don't know what it is behind the padding. That. Pretty basic floors. Here back on 1. Chime on this floor is really loud. That closes, and that's going to be it.